What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're tuning in for the first time, I'm Ashley, and today we'll be styling and slaying this beautiful lace wig from start to finish. Now you can see she has so much curl, so much body. The color is on 10 with this beautiful dark root. I went in, and you'll see in the video we're going to be lightly tweezing it along the hairline just to open it up a little bit and give scalp, skin, and natural vibes. So I'm going to jump right into the tutorial. You know, we're going to start with the wig on the mannequin head straight out of the packaging and slay her for the gods. So if you're ready to see how we got this look, keep on watching. Oh, and if you haven't already, please subscribe, hit the thumbs up. It'll help me out so much. Okay, now let's jump into it. Okay, queens, let's jump right into it. Of course, this is YGwigs packaging, and this is the wig straight out of the box. Now, I don't know what it is, but I've been so into color lately. I've been into the ombre, the balayage, give me brown, give me blonde, give me all the chocolate goodness that you can. This one here is a body wave 13x6 HD Swiss lace wig in the length 20 inches, and the density is 150%. For hair color, they specify it as same as picture. So basically, you know, whenever you click the link in my description box, I believe it comes in a different or a couple different colors, probably natural, and then you can get this beautiful one here, and you would just choose same as picture. So it came set as a center part, which we all love, and to me that's my safe point. I always do a center point or a center part. So today I decided to switch it up and move it, and that is the luxury and versatility in getting a 13x6 lace wig, especially when it's HD Swiss lace. You can switch up the parting and do literally whatever you want. So I took it and made it I believe this is a right side part on me, like my right side. Sometimes I do left, sometimes I do right. I'm more comfortable with right. I hit it with my dynamic duo. You guys know I gotta have my wax stick paired with the electric hot comb, and I just go in and flatten out mainly the root. With this one, it did have a little bit of flyaways in the how do you say it, in the parting, and that happens often with wigs, and it's with most wigs have it, but the lighter the wig, the more you just notice it, I guess you can say. So I just used the wax stick, and that made it melt down super nice. I decided to open up the parting very minimally. It was already pre-plucked, as you guys already seen. I just wanted to make it a little bit more thinned out. Like I told you guys, we are a beginner friendly situation over here, but I do like to show you guys little tips and tricks of how to get compliments, how to have the best wig in the room. I really want you guys to be able to from home get something, you know, from my videos, and pretty much know how to slay your own stuff. Like, I don't care if it's family photos, holidays, work, every day, going to the club. Make sure your shit looks good, period. So we're going to go along the entire hairline. I'm going on the opposite side as well because I have it set as a deep side part. The kind of cheat code is that this side really won't show as much as far as the hairline goes, but eventually I will switch up the parting whenever I have a lace frontal like so. I like to start with one parting, and then I'll switch it up into a center part and just be versatile. Like, if you buy a wig and you invest your money, don't wear it one way for the entire longevity of that wig. Switch it up, sis. Do a side part, a center part, do a half up, half down, do it straight back with no parting. You can do some little space buns, bantu knots, whatever you choose. And then when the wig gets so old and the ends are frayed, cut it a little shorter, and then when that gets a little old, cut it into a bob. When I'm saying max out and get your money's worth, get your money's worth with every single wig you invest in, because trust me, it is an investment to, you know, look good. Looking good kind of costs money sometimes, but I went ahead and just, you know, babied the front hair or the front hairline of this wig and just made sure it looked good and to my liking. When I put it on, if I find I want a little bit more tweezing or customizations, I'll have the option to also do that. It does come as a body wave texture, but I did want to go in and define the curl a little bit more. So I'm just taking long sections and I'm not really combing or parting it out. I just, again, want to add a big body wave. I want to define it just a little bit more than what it already was, but I'm not necessarily pressed to have like super strong, you know, defined waves in the back. This little piece on the opposite side that I set as a bang will be a lot more defined, and it's going to look super good. But again, sometimes it's just good to have fun and just, you know, make it do what it do. It doesn't always have to be super serious, if you know what I'm trying to say. Also, while we go through this process, I wanted to mention, you guys, I do have a discount code with YGwigs. It's Ashley20. You enter that at checkout and you'll get money off. Also, it's Black Friday next week, so I'm sure they'll be having some deals. So be sure to check the description box to figure out all about that. And as you guys can see, we're curling away from the face. I have this wand curler in the description box. It's about 20 bucks, so it's very affordable. And when I met the opposite side, I went away from the face again, kind of speeding it up so you're not too bored. And then the very front bang I did off camera. I did add a little bit of shapers for some hold because I knew I wasn't going to come back right away to do the rest. And people are asking about Herbalife. I am a distributor. I am a coach. We can do this weight loss journey together. It's no time harder to lose weight than in the holidays. So I would love if you join my team and we can fight the calories, fight the pounds together, especially through the new year. As I'm rambling, I did go ahead and cut off the excess lace, and now it's time to bond her down. My braids underneath are not fresh, so they are a little bit bulky, but you'll see I'll finesse and it's going to look super good. The wig off the bat just looks good and ready to go. This is exactly what I wanted. You guys can see I gave it like a little bit of a widow's peak. You can cut straight through that if you want it to go straight across. You can do literally whatever you want. This is a non-glue or a glueless install, so I am using a hairspray to bond it down. That way I can just use a little good old H2O to remove it should I choose. And I'm going in on each section. I do one side, the center, then the opposite side. That last side I did do off camera to save you guys. Now we're going to go in with a little bit of concealer. You guys know the Fenty is my favorite. The parting was already like bleached and tinted, and I just wanted to make it match my complexion the best. And then the powder is a contour powder from a palette that I use often that I'm almost out of and I need to order a fresh one. And I took that along the hairline and then just buffed my real foundation on top of that. Now it's time to pull the curls apart. You guys know I'm no pro, so sometimes I get a little confused with my placement as far as bangs go. I definitely feel like it had a lot more body than I wanted at the parting or the bang. So of course it's going to drop and I'm going to just play with it a little bit more. But overall, I love the way the curl came out. Of course, I added a little sideburn too. Okay guys, this is the final result and I love the way it came out. This my bang here, I kind of wanted it to have a lot of height and volume and body so that it would last. So it definitely is very much giving body, but of course it's gonna drop. It's gonna be perfect for tomorrow, so I can wear it low like this. I can flip it backwards, or I can like scoot it out of the way, and then when I'm sick of it I can literally just push it behind the ear. There's so many things I can do with it, and the even more great of a thing is that it's a frontal, so I'll be able to switch up the parting if I see fit as well. I love the color on this one. I love the fact that it has that dark root. I love everything about it. The texture did come with a nice slight wave to it, so I just thought, why not pull out the wand curler and amp it up a little bit. Also, I did open up the parting just a little bit. You guys see lately I've been doing a lot of tweezing along the hairline. Not too extreme, not too much Instagram baddie, just more so a little natural 1-2, a little, you know, 5 to 10 minutes on the tweezers. Not too crazy, not too much. And yeah, I love the dark root about this and I love everything about it. It held the curl very well. The color, the length, the texture, I really have no complaints about this one. And you guys can see she's absolutely gorgeous. So I'm sure I mentioned, but this one did come from YGwigs. You guys know their packaging is like so. You get a nice drawstring backpack that you can definitely reuse over and over, as well as the box that the actual wig comes in, and they coordinate very well. But also they included some goodies, so let's see what we got. We got brown wig caps, a red edge baby hair brush, an elastic band, so you're able to sew this into the inside, and it'll make your wig glueless. There are also some wig combs in there as well, so you have a whole kit to make sure that your wig fits exactly how you want it to. Some really nice full lashes. You guys know I keep me a good lash stash. Some gold hoop earrings, so these will be really nice, and they really will look good with this hairstyle as well. They spoiled us today, girl. You know I love it when they spoil us. 2 of these wig clips, which you know also love those. I don't know why, but they always disappear. And this is just a little booklet that has all kind of information. There's social media pages, and just a bunch of different things going on. Instructions and all of that greatness. Some great YouTube baddies on here as well. I'm in here. So I am in here not once but twice. You guys know I love stuff like that. So when you open the booklet, you see all these beautiful girls. Hey girls. And there goes moi. So cute. And then you turn the pages a couple more times. I forget her name, but she's so fire. I love her content. And there goes me again. So I love it here. I'm trying to start taking better pictures and getting just better quality content, because you know these companies actually use your content in their own. Obviously they have you advertising, and they take that content that you use, your pictures, your videos, and put it on their website and in all of their promotional stuff. So it's nice to see yourself, because it's like, that's me. It's almost like seeing yourself in a commercial. Not quite. Bucket list is to actually be in a commercial. Again, check out the hairline and all of the amazingness. The sideburn game is strong. I love it when I do like straight pressed sideburns, but for this side I did kind of cut it short and put the mousse on it. So I'll do this one to match. I just kind of cheated and didn't do that yet because you guys were here, and I do like it pushed back because I did do a great job at plucking it, so I think it looks really good to show that off. I am getting a little bit of mini little flyaways right here, so a little hairspray or a little mousse will combat that super easy. I can hear the kids screaming. My husband made tacos. It is Taco Tuesday, so I'm gonna let you guys go and hang up with you guys. I love you guys. I love my queens and kings that watch me here. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe, like this video, share with your friends. Also, let me know what you guys want to see as far as content from me. Check the description box for this wig, all of that. Share my videos. Anything you can do to support your girl, I would greatly appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.